Hi, my name's Rose and I live in Farmington Hills. L&S replaced our entire roof, all our siding, and our gutters for us. Communication with L&S was great. Since we came across them at the Novi Home Show, we were able to set an appointment whenever anything was set, whenever dates were given. They all showed up on time. The roof crew showed up. There was like 15 people that just rolled in and got everything set up and got to work immediately. And the siding guys, they had a well-established system between the two of them. They just came in, showed up and did their stuff and we're out. I feel like this project completely transformed our home. We had this like lightish, grayish blue siding before. The roof, I feel like it's more secure. It gives you a lot more comfort at the end, and then the siding just totally transforms the house. It looks like a totally different house. I feel great every time I pull into the driveway because of the transformation of the house. I am definitely glad to do it all at once because now everything is on, the same warranty timeline, and I know that if there are any like minor touch-ups that are needed, L&S will take care of us. It's a really big comfort as well as just an aesthetic transformation. They have the history and the experience to back it up. The people they use are obviously extremely qualified at what they do, and the fact that Certainty very much trusts them so much that they're one of their recommended vendors. It meant a lot to me, and I feel like it should mean a lot to other people. Oh, I'm enamored with how it turned out. It looks great. Couldn't be happier.